Welcome, in front of me is an Honor X8 and today I will show you how we can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull on your notifications, swipe down on it once more to extend the list, and this will show you a screen recorder toggle. From here, simply tap on it, and select while using the app, and OK. And it will give us these two options. So it gives us the option to record microphone, so it will pick up whatever you're saying, and then it just gives you an info about recording. So we're gonna select got it. Gonna mute the microphone because for some reason it's turned on by default, and from there whatever you'll do will be recorded by the device. Now keep in mind, not every app will be recorded by the phone. So you might encounter some apps like, let's see if we have Netflix here, but Netflix will be one of those. I'm gonna stop it. So quickly going into that, what I was saying, Netflix, if you try to record a show as an example, because as you probably are aware, Netflix, allows you to download things, but it only works in their application. So you can move it around, but if you record a screen on the other hand side, that would work. But what you will get is a whole lot of black screen with sound. So not something that you probably might be interested in. Now, once you're done recording, you can locate your screen recording in the gallery application. And from here, it's going to be visible right at the top, as you can see right here, or by going into the albums and then screenshots. And you have it right over here. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.